Hello everyone, this is Wago Connector. Wago is a German company which is making connectors for different applications like industrial applications, automotive applications, also for solar applications. This connector is a Wago 221 connector. This connector was recently implemented in field as a solution for the burning of phase wires in NICS E5. Okay, but we have received some complaints from the field that this connector is also burning. But there may be some different kind of reasons for the burning of this connector, but what we have found in the field that the wire stripping is not proper. That means we have to follow the instructions given by Wago for how to install this connector in the field or in the wire. Okay, and for this you need only a wire stripper for doing the installation. And for the measurement purposes, you can see there are some ratings written on the connector. On one side it is written at 30 ampere 300 volt. On the second side it is written at 450 volt 41 ampere. Okay, this connector is compatible with American wire gauge of 20 to 10. That means from 0.5 to 6 square mm wire is compatible with this connector, and we cannot insert a wire of more than 6 square mm in this connector. Okay, these are some of the information from the rating point of view. Now, how to install this connector? As the Wago has given some marking on the connector, this 13 mm. That means while installing the connector, we have to measure the wire. Like for example, I have this wire. This is around 5.5 square mm. So this wire, I will show how to do this. Okay. Here, this is 13 mm marking, as you can clearly see, and till this point, it is approximately